up on M&M Bros Productions.
Actually is developing into a shelf cloud. Right out.
There is no way you guys are gonna be able to comprehend the big brain move I just came up with.
You see that? That is a storm. Yes.
And I make YouTube videos. Now what we're gonna do is film that storm for a YouTube video. I know, I bet you can't even comprehend the decision I made just there. So let me kind of sum it up for you. I'm just gonna document this storm because it looks cool. And it's one of the better storms we've had this year. And I randomly grabbed the camera to film this huge milestone in the M&M Bros Productions filming a storm.
No, but in all seriousness, this actually is developing into a shelf cloud and actually does look like one of the better storms that we have had this year.
So I am going to do the normal routine, you know, just shoes on, go to the hills, watch it, come back, time lapse, stuff like that, because this has gotten a lot bigger within the past few minutes, and I'm very excited to where it goes next because I just got a notification letting us start within 3 whole miles of there. 3 whole miles. So we're gonna get. Oh. Yes, Jet, I am going to the hills. I'm not gonna bring you with though. Oh, buff. I'm going out here. Now it is, what is the date? The 28th of May. So I'm going to be a little cautious, a little bit, because you know how it gets. Around this time in May, strange things start to happen, like a stalker, but that's not important. This is shaping up to be quite good. Now that, something to look at though. Actually a nice storm for 2024 for once. Granted, we did have hail just a little bit earlier, but we don't have a shelf cloud yet, and that is shaping up to be somewhat of one. I'm excited that the storms are ramping up today, and I hope they ramp up soon. Continue ramping up because, again, it's supposed to be kind of a dry season for this type of weather. As you can see, there will not be just snowstorms, and this storm is actually quite big. Actually is quite big, and it is just starting. I probably should have started this earlier when I was looking at it. So, yep, this was happening. It probably will miss us, which, okay, why am I like completely walking through the flowers, but, the weeds, whatever these are. It'll probably miss us. I'm okay with that, as long as I get to see it. And then, right now, you already know the drill. Time lapse. This is what the storm looks like now. It's moving kind of this way while slowly moving across. There's some rolling clouds over there, and I will update you guys in a little bit. Look at the front. Now we're gonna go in here. This is Marcus's room because he has the best view. Out here. Whoa. That is a storm. So yeah, this part of the storm is definitely moving toward us right now. You know what? Let's go have a look outside. Whoa, I am suddenly outside. Look at this. Lots of stuff happening here. Look at this storm happening right now. This is crazy storm that we're looking at. It's crazy. Do you see how fast these clouds are moving normally? Like, look at this. The wind is picking up, but right now, holy crap, this is nuts. There's dust picking up in town. You can see that? That is crazy. Ooh, right out in the middle. I'm just standing out here. It is windy. Dust is picking up down there. It's a windstorm. So we have a special weather statement right now. And it is windy. High winds right now. I can't imagine what it's like in town. It must be unbelievably fast there. Can you see this? The shelf cloud that was just way over there is now over here and above us. Lots of wind. If I go out into, watch me go out into the street real quick. And I just watch this direction. See this? That wind. It is windy right now. And my hair is all messed up now. It's all messed up, Jetstream. It's all messed up. Yeah. Hi. There is no lightning yet, and the rain is just about to begin to fall, but look at the wind right there. I was just out there and ooh-wee. Wow. It's almost like anticlimactic because like we never start with a big windstorm. We normally don't start with a big windstorm. We normally end with a big windstorm. But yeah, big stuff happening, chat. Ooh. See the thunder or wind? I think it's wind. But yeah. You see the wind? It's here. It's wind. We're having fried rice for dinner. Watching The Office. Do you like the fried rice?
Yeah, it's actually good.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good.
We love fried rice. Oh, Jet's noticing the storm.